Hi, my name's Anita Marshall and I'm from Advanced Finance Solutions.
And my name's Gabby, I'm from Advanced Finance Solutions.
And today is Friday, question and answer day. So we've been given a list of questions from clients on two of our Facebook pages. The first one's a new page that we've set up called Home, Achieve the Dream of Owning Your Own Home. And we're getting a lot of feedback on that page. It's really fantastic and we welcome you to join that page and join the conversation. Second page is our Advanced Finance Solutions page. So we have a few questions that have been sent through and really excited to be here answering them today.
So the first question is, what is a deposit bond?
Okay, so a deposit bond is like a insurance for the deposit on a property. So instead of actually using your own money for the deposit on a home or an investment property, you can pay an insurance premium and they will issue a bond instead of you paying the deposit on the property. Obviously, you've still got to come up with that money at settlement time, but it saves you putting your own money down at the time when you're securing the property. Now, they're very popular for people that are using family pledges when they're borrowing 100% of the purchase price. They don't have the savings to put the deposit down. So they buy the deposit bond's put down, and then all of the funds are released at settlement to the vendor.
So the second question is, are pre-approvals free?
Yes, pre-approvals are completely free. I think pre-approvals are a fantastic thing because what they do is they give you peace of mind that you are going to be able to get that loan when you want to buy the property. So how they work is you apply to the bank for the loan amount for a rough property purchase price of what you want to buy, and then the bank will give you a letter in writing with what they call conditional approval, stating that yes, you will get the home loan if you find a suitable property that's that's acceptable security to the bank. And usually those pre-approvals will last between 3 and 6 months, so they're fabulous, and yes, they are completely free of charge.
The third question is there a difference in home and investment loan rates?
There is. Investment and home loan interest rates at the moment are between 0.25% and 0.5% different. What's happened in Australia is APRA, which is the governing body of the banking industry, are really trying to promote people buying their own home as opposed to investors. So they're trying to slow the investor market down. So interest rates on home loans at the moment are at an all-time low, and interest rates on investment loans are still very competitive, but they are slightly higher in most cases than the home loan rates.
So the fourth question is, how do you go about owner financier?
Okay, so owner financier is like your rent to buy. So how they work is you buy a property from a vendor and they finance it instead of you getting a loan through a normal financial institution. I must be honest, I'm not a fan of them. Usually how they work is you're paying a premium price for the property and you're also paying, standard rent plus some extra, so that that extra is going towards the deposit on the property. The big problem with that is that when you go to get normal finance, so get away from vendor finance because it's only usually short-term finance, it's very difficult to find a lender that will accept that deposit that you've paid as a deposit. So, you're looking at non-conforming lenders, high interest rates. I really believe you're better off steering away from those and getting a loan in a normal way with a normal lender, normal price on the property, and just buying a property in a normal way.
So the last question is, I've heard on the news this week that because of the downturn in the housing market, lenders are going to bump their minimum deposit to 20%.
Okay. I don't think that will happen. At the moment in Australia, yes, a lot of the lenders are requiring a 20% deposit on investment properties, but owner-occupiers, they are still doing 95 and 97% loans for people purchasing a property. As I said before, APRA are really trying to promote home ownership, and I don't think that they will introduce measures that will require a 20% deposit. Many years ago, you did need to have a 20% deposit on a property, but we now will have what's called mortgage insurance. So we have lenders' mortgage insurance that allows people to borrow more than 80% of the value of a property. And as I said, we're really trying to promote home ownership in Australia at the moment. The banks are very favourable towards owner-occupier loans, and they are still doing 95, 97% loans for the purchase of owner-occupied properties. In the investment space, yes, a lot of the banks are requiring a 20% deposit. So, if you're looking to buy another investment property, there are still a few lenders doing 95, 97% loans. There's only a couple that are still doing those. So if you're looking at buying an investment property, I think now is probably a good time. And if you're buying an owner-occupied property, it's even better time. So, as I've been trying to get that message out you know, it's time to get out of the rental market, trying to get into your own home, find something that's, you know, really fabulous that you want to work towards and really work towards achieving that dream. And we're here to help you with that. We will help you set up a plan, help you get into your own home. That's our mission this year, to get as many people as we possibly can into their own home. So if you've got any other questions or you want to know anything more about what we've talked about today, please give us a call. Our phone number is 0249 190 478, or jump on either of our Facebook pages, send us an email, anita@advancedfinancesolutions.com.au, and get in touch with us. We'd love to help. Thank you.